Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on switching your public TikTok profile to a private one. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Having a private profile means that only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. To change to a private profile, go to the Me page on TikTok, and then tap the three-dot Settings button from the top right. In Settings, tap Privacy. The first setting here is to enable a private account. Tap the toggle to enable it. If you currently have a business account, it will make you switch back to a personal account. Tap Switch Anyway. Your TikTok account is now private. When you visit your profile, you will see that it says Private Account at the top. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.